Knock, knock. Who's there?
I'm Philip with Team Enoch. Today we're going to show you how to replace a gas tank water heater with a Navien 240A tankless water heater.
Let's get started. Be sure you have an outlet within 4 to 5 feet of the installation location of the new water heater. You may have to shut off the water at the curb if there are no other obvious ways to cut off the water to the current water heater. Turn the gas off. Close the water valves and disconnect the water lines. Disconnect the drain. Connect a garden hose to the drain valve to drain the current tank to water heater. At this point, you should be ready to remove the old water heater. It's a good idea to check your gas pressure before installing the Navien 240A. Correct readings are between 3 to 10 water columns per inch of gas pressure. With the water heater out of the way, you can mount the plywood where you're going to be installing the new tankless water heater. We find it best to mount the Navien valve kit before hanging the new water heater. It's helpful to have a second person when hoisting the water heater into position. Attach the drain pan directly below the unit. Connect the cold water supply to the cold water inlet on the new water heater. Be sure that you use a T to connect the recirculation valve as well. You need a spring-loaded check valve on the supply side and a cutoff valve on the recirculation side, just in case the recirculation pump is not utilized. When connecting the gas line, be sure a sediment trap is included with the installation. Now make the connection for the hot water. Connect the drain pan to the drain line. Be sure you make the necessary connections for the 1/2 inch condensate drain. If the condensate is running through copper or metal at any point, be sure you include a neutralizer kit to reduce the acidity of the water. On the top of the NPD 240A, you have a 2-inch intake and exhaust port. If the home only has one exhaust port currently, use a concentric vent so you don't have to punch a new hole in the homeowner's roof. Now install the Navisirc if the homeowner has chosen to have it installed.
Make sure the valve inside the water heater is set to external. The knob should point down as pictured here. With power to the unit turned off by holding down the power button, press the plus 3 times, minus 3 times, then plus 4 times. Now press plus once to get to the parameter screen and hit the info button. Press the plus button until you get to option 17 and press info. Press plus or minus to toggle option 17 on and press info to confirm your selection. Now hold the power button until the unit turns off, then hold the power button again until the unit turns back on. Your Navisirc is now set up.